you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your audio back in sync with the gameplay. Step 1. Check audio settings. Start by checking the audio settings in Rocket League. Go to the options menu and ensure that the audio output device is set correctly. Make sure the volume levels for music, sound effects, and voice chat are balanced. Step 2. Update your drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your audio device or use the driver update tool to check for the latest updates. Installing the latest drivers can resolve compatibility issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio delay. Some players find that adjusting the in-game audio delay can help. In the audio settings, look for an option to adjust audio latency or delay. Experiment with different settings to see if it improves synchronization. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using audio resources. Programs like music players, streaming services, or voice chat applications can interfere with Rocket League's audio. Step 5. Restart the game and system. If the issue persists, restart Rocket League and your gaming system. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches and restore proper audio synchronization. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Rocket League. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.